In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a circle webcam in OBS Studio. This is a great way to add a unique and polished look to your stream or video content, and it's really simple to do. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your OBS Studio application. This is the software we'll be using to create that circle effect for your webcam. Make sure everything's running smoothly and you've selected the correct project that you want to work on. Once you're inside OBS Studio, focus your attention on the section labeled Sources. This is where all the magic happens. In this section, you should see a list of your current sources. If you don't already have your webcam source here, make sure to add it by using the appropriate option so you can follow along with the steps. With your webcam source identified, right-click on it. You'll be presented with several options, so be sure to select Filters. This is an important step because the Filters menu is where we can apply new effects and changes to your video source. Next, direct your attention to the Filter window. Look towards the bottom of this window, and you'll notice a few tabs. Click on the tab that says Stream. This will allow us to adjust stream-specific filters, which is essential for our task today. In the Stream tab, look for a little plus sign button, often located near the bottom of the window. Clicking this will help us add a new filter effect. From the list of filter options that pop up, select Image Mask Blend. This is a particularly versatile filter that's perfect for creating a circle effect. Now, it's time to configure the Image Mask Blend filter. You'll be prompted to choose a type of mask. For our purposes, select Alpha Mask. Alpha masks are ideal for this task because they allow us to cut out shapes from our video source. The final step is to add a circle mask image that will be applied to your webcam source. You can easily find or create a blank circular PNG image using free online tools. Load this image into the Image Mask Blend filter. Make sure it's correctly aligned with your webcam source to create that smooth circle effect. And there you go. Your webcam should now be beautifully circled on your stream layout. With these steps completed, you've successfully created a circle webcam using OBS Studio. This simple yet effective technique will definitely give your content a professional touch. Thanks for tuning in and happy streaming.